185 is the natural number following 184 and preceding 186. In mathematics, 185 is an odd number. 185 is a composite number. 185 is a deficient number, as 43 is less than 185. 185 is an odious number. 185 is a square-free number. Divisors of 185. 1, 5, 37, 185. 185 is the sum of two square numbers in two different ways. 132 plus 42 and 112 plus 82. 185 is the difference of two square numbers. 212 to 162. 185 is a 20gonal number. In astronomy, 185 Unica is a large, dark, main belt asteroid. NGC 185 is a dwarf elliptical galaxy in the constellation Cassiopeia. SN 185 was a supernova which appeared in the year 185 between the constellations Cercinus and Centaurus. In the military, 185 Airborne Division Folgore of the Italian Army during World War II. 185th Air Refueling Squadron Unit of the Oklahoma Air National Guard. 185th Aviation Brigade of the United States Army is a unit of the Mississippi Army National Guard. 185th Canadian Infantry Battalion, CEF. 185th Infantry Brigade unit of the British Expeditionary Force during World War II. 185th Infantry Regiment is a combat regiment of the United States Army from the California Army National Guard. HMS Avenger was a Royal Navy Type 21 frigate from 1975 to 1994. HMS Decoy was a Royal Navy Daring-class destroyer, 185 feet in length. Lutjens was a guided missile destroyer of the Bundesmarine. Polikarpov I-185 was a Soviet fighter aircraft designed in 1941, but never produced. RMAS Salmor, a Royal Maritime Auxiliary Service SAL-class mooring and salvage vessel. U.S. Air Force 185th Air Refueling Wing Unit at Gateway Airport. US Bagley was a United States Navy Wickes-class destroyer following World War I. US Coker was a United States Navy tugboat destroyer during World War II. US Riddle was a United States Navy during World War II. US Snapper was a United States Navy Salmon-class submarine during World War II. In music, Yamaha PSR 185 portable musical keyboard by the Yamaha Corporation. In transportation, Alfa Romeo 185T Formula 1 car. British Rail Class 185, VP 185 an engine for the British Rail Class 43, to replace the Paxman Valenta. Cessna 185 single-engine plane. London Buses Route 185, 185 series multiple-unit trains in Japan. Willow Creek, Southwest 185th Avenue Transit Center, Hillsboro, Oregon. Air Tahoma Flight 185 was a scheduled cargo flight from Memphis to Cincinnati which crashed August 13, 2004. Silk Air Flight 185 was a scheduled passenger flight from Jakarta, Indonesia to Singapore, which crashed December 19, 1997. The subject of a documentary. In other fields, 185 is also the year AD 185 or 185 BC. The atomic number of an element temporarily called an octopentium. The improv game of 185 where, given a subject from the audience, players make up jokes beginning with 185 walk into a bar. Minuscule 185 is a Greek minuscule manuscript of the New Testament, on parchment. Kevin Street, Onge set a Guinness World Record by throwing a single playing card 185 feet and 1 inch on June 12, 1979. Rotax 185 is a 9-horsepower, single-cylinder, two-stroke, industrial engine, built by Rotax of Austria for firefighting.